Hey everyone, today we're diving into a powerful topic that touches many of us deeply, dealing with guilt and fear through the process of self-healing. We will explore how these emotions affect our lives and how guided meditation can be a vital tool in overcoming them. This meditation aims to help you release these heavy feelings to find peace and clarity within yourself. Guilt and fear are emotions that all of us experience at some point. They are not just feelings, but powerful psychological states that can influence our daily decisions, relationships, and self-esteem. Guilt often arises from past actions or decisions that conflict with our values or expectations. It's that nagging feeling that we've done something wrong or failed to do something right. Fear, on the other hand, is tied to anticipation. It involves worrying about future events that may never happen or stressing over current situations getting worse. These emotions can trigger a host of physical and mental responses, from increased heart rate and anxiety to avoidance behaviors and depression. It's crucial to understand that while these feelings are common, they are also manageable. Recognizing the sources of your guilt and fear can be the first step toward addressing them. For many, guilt stems from personal or professional situations where you believe you've let yourself or others down. Fear often links to uncertainties about health, finances, or personal safety. These feelings are deeply personal and can manifest differently in everyone. What's important here is not just identifying these emotions, but understanding their impact on your well-being. Both guilt and fear activate our body's stress response, which, if prolonged, can lead to serious health issues like heart disease, fatigue, and impaired immune function. Mentally, they can cloud our judgment, affect our decision-making processes, and lead to a negative cycle of self-doubt and recrimination. This is why addressing them isn't just about improving mental health. It's about fostering a holistic sense of well-being that aligns with a healthier lifestyle. Moving into the concept of self-healing, it's empowering to realize that you have the ability to influence your emotional and physical health. Self-healing is about tapping into your internal resources to foster recovery and find balance. It's about acknowledging that while external situations may trigger guilt and fear, your internal environment can transform these feelings and lead to healing. Meditation, in particular, offers a practical approach to self-healing. It's a tool that soothes the mind and body, providing a break from the constant stimulation of modern life. Through meditation, you can create a quiet space to process and release the emotions that weigh you down. This practice isn't about disconnecting from your feelings, but rather about approaching them with a new perspective. By meditating, you allow yourself to experience guilt and fear without judgment, understanding them as signals, not sentences. This process involves guided visualization, focused breathing, and mindfulness techniques that help recalibrate your emotional response. You learn to breathe through the discomfort, visualize your fears losing their power, and affirm your ability to manage your emotional state. Meditation doesn't remove life's challenges, but it enhances your resilience, allowing you to face them with a renewed sense of strength and calmness. Self-healing through meditation is a journey. It doesn't promise overnight solutions, but encourages gradual, consistent practice. It's about building the skills to cope with emotional upheaval and emerging stronger, more aware, and more accepting of yourself. This journey is deeply personal and unique to each individual, reflecting personal histories, values, and experiences. While we move forward, let's talk about how to prepare for a meditation session, which is as important as the meditation itself. Preparing your environment and mindset can significantly enhance your experience. Start by choosing a quiet space where you won't be disturbed. This could be a corner of your room, a comfortable chair, or a spot on the floor with cushions. The goal is to minimize distractions so that you can focus entirely on meditation. Next, consider the lighting in your space. Soft, dim lighting can help calm your senses and signal to your body that it's time to wind down. You may also want to keep a blanket nearby if you prefer being warm and cozy. Once you've set up your physical space, it's time to prepare mentally. Sit down comfortably, close your eyes if that feels right for you, and take a few deep breaths. Set an intention for your meditation. This doesn't need to be complex. It can be as simple as a desire to feel calmer or to let go of the day's stress. Breathing is at the heart of meditation, and mastering it can enhance your ability to release guilt and fear. Start by focusing on your breath. Notice the air entering through your nose, filling your lungs, and then gently escaping back out. This simple observation can bring you into the present moment and help quiet your mind. Let's practice a specific breathing technique together. It's called the 4-7-8 method, and it's excellent for relaxation. Breathe in quietly through your nose for 4 seconds, hold that breath for 7 seconds, and then exhale forcefully through your mouth for 8 seconds. This technique helps reduce anxiety and can even assist you in falling asleep faster. Repeat this breathing pattern a few times. With each cycle, imagine your stress and tension leaving your body with your exhales. Allow yourself to feel a sense of relief each time you release your breath. This method not only helps in calming your mind, but also prepares your body to enter a deeper state of relaxation, setting the perfect foundation for the guided meditation that follows. Now that you're settled and your breath has brought you to a quieter state, let's begin the guided part of our meditation focused on acknowledging your feelings of guilt and fear. While you continue to breathe deeply, bring your attention to any areas in your body where you might feel tension or discomfort. Without trying to change anything, simply observe these sensations. This practice is about awareness, not judgment. As you sit with these feelings, allow yourself to acknowledge their presence. Recognize that these emotions of guilt and fear are part of your experience, but do not define you. They are like clouds passing in the sky, temporary and always shifting. Each breath you take can help you see these emotions more clearly, without the need to control or hurry them along. With each breath, imagine you can dive deeper into these emotions. Ask yourself gently, what is the root of this guilt? What am I afraid of? Allow your mind to present images, words, or memories that might be linked to these feelings. It's okay if your mind wanders or if it takes time for these answers to emerge. What's important is to maintain a gentle focus, letting your breath guide you through this exploration. While you uncover these roots, you may notice the power of understanding your feelings more clearly. This isn't about reliving past moments, but about acknowledging their impact on you now. By breathing through these discoveries, you give yourself the permission to understand and eventually let go. This part of the meditation is crucial. It's where you begin to loosen the hold that guilt and fear have over your life. While you continue with the meditation and deepen your understanding of the emotions you've explored, begin to transition towards the release phase. With each breath, imagine sending a wave of calm to the areas where you feel tension. Envision this calm like a gentle breeze or a soft wave, slowly easing the tightness and slowly diminishing the power of guilt and fear. Focus on the sensation of letting go. With each exhale, release a part of the emotional weight you've been carrying. Visualize this release as a specific act, like opening your hands to let go of a heavy object, or imagining a stream carrying leaves away, each leaf representing a fragment of your guilt and fear. Feel the lightness with each breath as you unload these burdens. This part of the meditation isn't about forcing forgetfulness, but about permitting yourself to no longer be weighed down by past feelings. Having created space by releasing some of the emotional burdens, now begin to fill this space with positive affirmations. These affirmations are simple, positive statements that you can repeat to yourself, aimed at reinforcing your worth and your ability to overcome challenges. Start with affirmations like, I am worthy of peace, I forgive myself, or I am stronger than my fear. Repeat these affirmations softly in your mind with each inhale. Let these words soak into your thoughts, replacing the old narratives of guilt and fear. With each affirmation, imagine your mind and body accepting these truths, building a new foundation of positive beliefs about yourself. This reinforcement is your way of constructing a resilient mindset, where positive thoughts provide a buffer against the negative emotions that might arise in the future. While you continue to affirm your strengths and values, you reinforce the changes initiated in this meditation, helping to solidify them as part of your daily emotional toolkit. While you near the end of this meditation session, start to gently withdraw from the deep state of introspection. Begin to lessen your focus on the affirmations and allow your breathing to return to a natural rhythm. With each breath, slowly become more aware of your surroundings. Feel the surface beneath you, listen to any sounds in the environment, and gently move your fingers and toes to bring a sense of movement back to your body. Take a moment to acknowledge the work you've done today. Recognize the effort it takes to confront and release deep-seated emotions like guilt and fear. Allow yourself to feel a sense of accomplishment and gratitude towards yourself for taking this time to heal and grow. When you're ready, open your eyes, and if you feel comfortable, stretch your arms and legs. It's important to transition back into your day gently and take with you the peace and clarity you cultivated during this session. And thank you for joining me in this guided meditation for self-healing. Today, you took significant steps towards letting go of guilt and fear, and I hope you feel lighter and more at peace as a result. Healing is a continuous process, and it's okay to return to this meditation whenever you feel the need to address these emotions again. Consistency is key in deepening the effects of your practice, so I encourage you to incorporate meditation into your routine regularly. Each time you might find new insights and achieve greater peace. I wish you a day filled with peace, understanding, and gentle moments of joy. The path to inner peace often starts with a single mindful step. Take good care, and I look forward to our next session together.